Arithmetic means of an arithmetic sequence. Our next problem, we have positive 1, and then we have two missing terms or two missing arithmetic means, and then the fourth term is positive 3. So we need to find the missing terms. And let us call positive 1 as our a sub 1. This will be our a sub 2, a sub 3, and a sub 4. So to find for the missing terms, we need to have the value for d, or the common difference. So to find for d, we need to use this equation. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. Our a sub n here, we are going to use a sub 4. So a sub 4, the value of a sub 4 is positive 3. And this will be equal to the value of a sub 1 is positive 1 plus, since this is a sub 4, our n here will be 4. So 4 minus 1 multiplied by d. So 3 equals to 1 plus 4 minus 1 is 3, and 3 times d, that will be 3d. To find for d, we need first to transpose positive 1 to the other side. So we need to transpose this to the other side. So to transpose from positive, this will change sign. It will become negative. So this will be 3 minus 1. And this is equal to positive 3d. 3 minus 1 is 2. This is equal to 3d. Okay. So we can rearrange this. We can rewrite that as 3d is equal to positive 2. And to find for d, we need to cancel out 3. So divide both sides of the equation by 3. 3 divided by 3, this will be equal to 1. So 1 multiplied by d is d. So we have here d. And d will be equal to 2 over 3. So 2 over 3 is our d. Let us now find for the value of a sub 2. So to find for a sub 2, we will just add a sub 1 and the value of d. So a sub 2 here will be just equal to a sub 1 plus d. Okay. So the value of a sub 1 is positive 1. So we have here a sub 2. This will be equal to positive 1 plus 2 over 3. So 1 plus 2 over 3, this will be 1 and 2/3, or to make this as an improper fraction, this will be 3 times 1, 3 plus 2, this will be 5 over 3. So our a sub 2 is 5 over 3. Let us now solve for a sub 3. Okay, so to solve for a sub 3, we will just add the value of a sub 2 to d. So a sub 3 will be equal to a sub 2 plus d. Okay, so a sub 3 here will be equal to 5 over 3 plus d, which is 2 over 3. So this will just be 5 plus 2, that is 7. And our denominator is 3. So our a sub 3 is 7 over 3. So our arithmetic means now, or the missing terms, they are 5 over 3 and 7 over 3. And these are our final answers. Arithmetic means of an arithmetic sequence. Our next problem, we have negative 10. And we have the missing arithmetic means. We have 3 terms here. And then the fifth term is positive 2. So negative 10, let's call this as a sub 1. This will be a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4, and this is a sub 5. So to find for the missing terms, first we need to have the value for d. And to find for d, we need to use this equation. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. For a sub n, we are going to use a sub 5. So our a sub 5 here is positive 2. So we will have here 2 is equal to a sub 1. The value of a sub 1 is negative 10 plus our n here will be, since this is the fifth term, so our n will be 5. So 5 minus 1 multiplied by d. So 2 equals to negative 10 plus 5 minus 1 is 4. So 4 multiplied by d, that will be 4d. Okay, so we have here positive 4d. So to solve for d, we need to transpose negative 10 to the other side. So transpose this to the other side. If we will be transposing, we are going to change the sign. So from negative, this will change to positive. So we will have here 2. Instead of negative, this will become positive or plus 10 equals to 4d. So 2 plus 10 is 12, and this will be equal to 4d. We can rearrange them. We will have here 4d equals to 12. And to find 4d, we need to cancel out 4. So divide both sides of the equation by 4. Now, 4 divided by 4, this will be, we can cancel this out. This will be equal to 1. And 1 multiplied by d, this is equal to d. d is equal to 12 divided by 4 is 3. We now have the value for d, so we can find for a sub 2. So to find for a sub 2, we will just add a sub 1 and the value of d. So a sub 2, this will be equal to a sub 1 plus d. So a sub 2 here, our a sub 1 is negative 10. This will be plus positive 3. So our a sub 2 will be negative 7. So we have here negative 7. And for a sub 3, so for a sub 3, we will just add the value of a sub 2 and d. So this will be a sub 2 plus d. So our a sub 3 here, we will have a sub 3. This is equal to our a sub 2 again is our negative 7 plus d, which is positive 3. So this will be negative 4. So our a sub 3 is negative 4. Let's write it here. And let's find for a sub 4. So our a sub 4 now, our a sub 4, this will be equal to a sub 3 plus d. Okay, so a sub 4. So a sub 4, this will be, our a sub 3 is negative 4. So this will be negative 4 plus our d is positive 3. Okay, so d would be equal to positive 3. So a sub 4 here would be equal to negative 4 plus 3, that's negative 1. So our a sub 4 here will be negative 1. Okay, so the missing terms now are negative 7, negative 4, negative 1, and they are our arithmetic means, and these are our final answers. Arithmetic means of an arithmetic sequence. Our given problem, we have positive 5, and we have the missing terms or the arithmetic means. We have two terms here that we need to find, and the last term is negative 5. So to find for the missing terms, first we need to call this as a sub 1. This is our a sub 2, a sub 3, and a sub 4. And we need to find for the value of d. to find for the value of d, we need to use the equation a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. So for a sub n, we need to use a sub 4, and the value of a sub 4 is negative 4. So this will be negative 4 equals to a sub 1 is positive 5 plus, since this is the fourth term, our n will be 4. So this will be 4 minus 1 multiplied by d. Negative 4 equals to 5 plus 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 multiplied by d, we will have here 3d. So to find for d, we need to transpose negative 5 or positive 5 to the other side. So we need to transpose that to the other side. So if we transpose positive 5, this will change sign. So from positive, so we have here negative 4. If we transpose this, it will become, from positive, it will become negative or minus 5 equals to positive 3d. Negative 4 minus 5 is negative 9 equals to positive 3d. So we can rearrange, or we can interchange this. 3d is equal to negative 9. So to find for the value of d, we need to cancel out 3. So divide both sides of the equation by positive 3. So we have here 3 divided by 3 is 1. And 1 multiplied by d, this will be equal to d. And negative 9 divided by positive 3 is negative 3. Okay. So we can now find for the value of a sub 2. So our a sub 2 here, this will just be a sub 1 plus d. So a sub 1 plus d. Our a sub 2 now will be, our a sub 1 is positive 5, and this will be added by the value of d, which is negative 3. So 5 plus negative 3 is positive 2. Our a sub 2 is positive 2. And then for a sub 3, we will just add a sub 2 and d. So a sub 3, this will just be a sub 2 plus d. Our value for a sub 3 here will be equal to positive 2, which is the value of a sub 2, plus our d, which is negative 3. So 2 plus negative 3 is negative 1. So therefore, our missing terms are positive 2 and negative 1. They are our final answers. Arithmetic means of an arithmetic sequence. Our next, or our given problem, we have positive 60, and we have the missing arithmetic means. We have the missing 2 terms, and our final term is positive 36. So let's call positive 60 as a sub 1. This is a sub 1. This will be a sub 2, a sub 3, and a sub 4. To find for the missing terms, first we need to get the value of d. So to find for the value of d, we need to use the equation a sub n equals to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. So we will use, for a sub n, we are going to use a sub 4. A sub 4 here is positive 36, so this will be 36 equals to the value of a sub 1 is 60 plus our n here, since this is the fourth term, our n will be 4 minus 1 multiplied by d. We have here 36 is equal to 60 plus, since, okay, rather 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3 multiplied by d, that will be 3d. So to solve for D, we need to transpose positive 60 to the other side. So if we transpose this, we will have here positive 36, and if we transpose positive to the other side, it will become negative. So this will become negative 60 equals to positive 3D. So 36 minus 60, this will give us negative 24 equals to 3D. So we can rearrange this. So we can put positive 3D here on the left and negative 24 on the right. And to find for the value of D, we need to cancel out 3. So divide both sides of the equation by 3. Now, 3 divided by 3, we can cancel this out. This is equal to 1. And 1 multiplied by D, that will give us positive D. Negative 24 divided by 3 is negative 8. So we have a value now for D. We can find A sub 2. So to find for A sub 2 now will be the sum of A sub 1 and D. So this will be A sub 1 plus D. Okay. A sub 2 here will be equal to, the value of A sub 1 is positive 60 plus our D is negative 8. So 60 plus negative 8 is positive 52. So our A sub 2 is positive 52. Okay. Let us now find for A sub 3. So A sub 3 here, this will now be the sum of A sub 2 and D. Our A sub 3 will be equal to the value of A sub 2, which is 52, plus our D, which is negative 8. So positive 52 plus negative 8, this will give us positive 44. So 52, positive 52, and positive 44 are our missing arithmetic means, or our missing terms, and they are our final answers. Arithmetic means of an arithmetic sequence. Our problem, we have 2x plus y, and then we have here the missing arithmetic means. We have 2 terms missing, and then the fourth term is 5x minus 2y. So to find for the missing terms, first we need to find for D. So to find for D, let us call this first as A sub 1, A sub 2, A sub 3, and A sub 4. And then we are going to use the equation. A sub n is equal to A sub 1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by D. Okay, so our A sub n, we are going to use A sub 4. So our A sub 4 here, we have 5x minus 2y. Our A sub 1 is 2x plus y. Okay, let's enclose this in a parenthesis. Plus our n is, since this is the fourth term, our n will be 4 minus 1 multiplied by D. Okay, so we have here 5x minus 2y equals to the quantity of 2x plus y plus 4 minus 1 is 3, so this will be 3D. So to find for D, we need to transpose the quantity of 2x plus y to the other side. So if we transpose this from positive, it will change sign. So this positive here, this will become negative. So transposing, we will have 5x minus 2y. Again, from positive, this will become negative. So this will now be negative the quantity of 2x plus y equals to 3d. So we have 5x minus 2y, negative multiplied by positive 2x, negative 2x. Negative times positive y, negative y equals to 3d. So 5x minus 2x, that will be equal to positive 3x. And minus 2y minus y, negative 3y equals to 3d. So we can factor this out. Okay, so 3 multiplied by x minus y equals to 3d. And then we can rearrange. So we have here 3d is equal to 3 multiplied by x minus y. And to find for d, we need to cancel out 3. So divide both sides of the equation by 3. So 3 divided by 3, we can cancel this out. This will be 1. And 1 multiplied by d, this will give us positive d equals to 3 divided by 3. Again, we can cancel this out. This is equal to 1. So 1 multiplied by the quantity of x minus y, this will be x minus y. Okay, so since we have the value for d, we can now find for a sub 2. Our a sub 2 will be the sum of a sub 1 and d. So again, a sub 2 will be equal to a sub 1 plus d. So for a sub 2 here, our a sub 1 is 2x plus y, and then plus our d, which is x minus y, x minus y. So a sub 2 now will be equal to 2x plus y, positive multiplied by positive, this will be positive x, positive times negative y, negative y. So we will have here 2x plus x, this will be 3x. And then positive y minus y is 0. So our a sub 2 is positive 3x. And then to find for a sub 3, we will just add a sub 2 and d. So a sub 3, this will be equal to a sub 2 plus d. So our a sub 3 here will be equal to, our a sub 2 is 3x. So this will be 3x plus x minus y. So this will be 3x plus x, that is 4x minus y. So our a sub 3 is 4x minus y. Therefore, our missing terms are 3x and 4x minus y. And they are our final answers.